Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Wednesday, Whiskey Wednesday. I plan on having a nip or two of some Jameson today because I can. Okay, last night and yesterday I prepared the Casual Chef corned beef cottage pie. It was very good. The photos are ugly. I'll admit. I don't have food stylists, and I only take pictures of my real food. Sorry. That's it. I use my phone. I do simple edit. Yeah. The cottage pie was very good. I'm not going to share a recipe. If you want to know how I did it, contact me. It was leftovers and some extra things thrown in. Yes. Okay, tonight, I'm doing a tomato Basil Bisque. Let's get to it. Simple hardware. I might even go smaller than this Dutch oven. All right, obviously, we got some tomato. I'm using Cento peeled tomatoes, and a little bit of extra tomato sauce. There's the basil, or basil, depending on how you want to say it. Some onion, some chicken stock, honey. This actually called for either honey, maple syrup, or agave. So, a thick sweetener of some sort. Robert and I discussed it, and we're going to go with honey. Some flour, some parsley, heavy whipping cream, some dried oregano and thyme, and some butter. And for garnish, we're going with blue cheese and creme fraiche. Or sour cream. I got both. Today is also garlic day because I'm out of, pureed or whatever garlic. And I'm going to do, with this loaf, I'm going to do garlic bread to go with the soup. So today is actually a very simple meal, but it should be yummy. Yes. So you've seen me wear this shirt a few times. I'm a big Coca-Cola fan. I love the original Coca-Cola. Always in my fridge. This shirt actually has a little bit of a story. Robin and I went to Las Vegas several years ago and did a whirlwind tour of some restaurants. And part of it was for my birthday. Delmonico's, and then we also ate at, back then, Emerald's Fish House, and a few other eateries. This shirt is actually from the Coca-Cola store in Las Vegas. I have been mistaken as a Coca-Cola rep when I go out in public with this polo shirt. Hey, it could be worse. So I love this shirt. I'm proudly wearing it because I'm a Coke guy, not a Pepsi guy. So there it is. All right. On this Wednesday, Whiskey Wednesday, have a great day. eat great food, and have fun cooking.